back to WebMoney. So how to make money online? Well, I figured out my best way is just to launch a website that actually is part of my interests, and I want to post on this website and do valuable things with it, and that way I can connect it to Google AdSense. I call it Amateur Tech Geek, and it will be somewhat about, yeah, interactive calculators where you can do electrical engineering calculations, and yeah, blog posts, some about self-improvement or generally just technology. And last time we did the project structure, so I did some new folders. If you really want to do this right, you need to always take a little step back and plan a little bit more. Of course, too much planning is also not so good, but when you're always in this rush to jump to AI, write prompts, write code before you really have a plan, this is not a good approach. Engineering is about planning, and because planning costs a lot of money, but no planning or too little planning costs more, because then in the end you need to change something, and your system is not laid out to incorporate changes or whatever, and then it will cost money in you running around trying to figure out how to do whatever. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Last time, yeah, we did the folder structure. I have in my folder, I have a public folder where I want to have static files. Or maybe I should not write that, but static files in your folder. um, in the source, I want to have like blog posts or, yeah, interactive calculators or some circuits. You can, just click around and see how they actually work. Just the most basic stuff you can just see and play around with a little, and yeah, then you can, see the, I don't know, current changing or whatever. Test, also very important. We want to test most of the things, and yeah, then this should work out. But now in this episode, just really simple, we want to make a GitHub repository and just upload this whole project really clean, really clean onto a GitHub repository, and just take it easy, because last time I just was finished in like 30 minutes with the website, but it got rejected by Google AdSense because it did not provide enough value, and I think that's what they really want to do. Either you have a really nice simple idea that's original. Like, for example, the first guy who thought of the ping idea, I think he makes a lot of money. But in my case, I just copied it, and yeah, nobody needs that anymore. So yeah, keep in mind that, follow your interest, make a website maybe about that, and then you can monetize it when you really know what you're talking about. Okay, now I want to try to do this GitHub repository stuff all from the command interface. And first we want to see whether git init, we initialize our repository, initialize empty git repository. Okay, very good. This looks good. I also asked AI to help me. Okay, then git add and with a dot. So it means you want to add all the files in all the folders in the directory. Okay. Then we need to make the initial commit with git commit minus m in initial commit. Yeah, that's the first one. And if you're curious why I'm not using GitHub Copilot, it's because the free trial is really shitty and I don't want to pay money. GitHub initial commit. Okay, this seems fine. One file changed, 43 insertions. Okay. Now this. Okay, then we need to make a new GitHub repository in the browser. This is also pretty simple. You need a GitHub repository. And you need an account in GitHub, but it's also very, very easy and user-friendly. Call our repository amateur tech geek. Amateur tech geek, I think this is right. Okay, description. Website on personal interests in an engineering student on personal interests being an engineering student. Okay. No, let's don't make that public yet. Off, yeah. Create repository. And okay, I have now made this. Let's see what is the next step. Okay, so the next step is you use git remote add origin https and then the address of your git repository, then git branch minus m main, and then you push it. But here the I have some error, there was not found. Okay, we need to see if the remote repository is initialized. Yeah, but this all looks good. But you know, just ask AI for like tasks like these can help you really good. Okay. But to be honest, I don't know if we can just maybe copy this from the create a new GitHub repository on the command line. Let's try maybe this. Okay, seems good. Then you git init. We initialized existing git repository, techie git. Okay, yeah, that's good. Ah, wait. But we don't have anything yet, right? Don't have like code. Yeah. Okay, then git add readme. Or do we have like two readmes then? Git add readme. Okay. We have a readme now. Then we use git commit, first commit. Git add. Okay, this looks better now. Then git branch minus n name. Okay, no complaints here either. It is so nice that they make. Let's give you this step by step. Remote origin already exists. Yeah, okay. And we can just push on it, right? Repository not found. What the fuck? Hmm. Um, yeah, oh, I don't know why I always have problems with this GitHub repository shit because it should be so easy. Um, okay, so it seems we need to make a token. Settings. Hmm. I don't know why I always have problems with that. Okay, so apparently this is not possible anymore. So I think I need to go to HTTPS uh, um, github.com/setting/tokens. This page is not found. What the fuck? github.com settings tokens. And just go to settings. Settings. Okay, GitHub settings. And now I want to have a token. Wait, tokens. Tokens type beta. Type beta. No fine-grained tokens. Okay, it seems like we need to make a token. Okay, I kind of lost track because I needed to make my website. Oh my god, guys. I don't Password and authentication. Why can I not? Hey GitHub, why are you such a twat? Why can I why is that not possible? Minimize me. Email session. But they don't have like the tokens. Create new token. My token. Okay. Okay, I have generated. Okay, I guess we can now just use git push. Git push origin. Guys, I think this is a topic for the next video. I cannot figure this out now. I need yeah.